You hear a lot about deportation. You sort of start getting used to hearing the word. So when I was younger, I moved with my mom and my brothers to a small town named Pachura. This wasn't really a small town. It was really more of a big hot field with lots of farms on it. Well, on this land, I lived with my nana, who was once an illegal immigrant, but later got her visa. To see illegal immigrants crossing the land was pretty normal. It was also a very sad view, and this is why my nana would leave out water jugs so people would not dehydrate and die. My nana also owned a house in Mexico in a town called Tecate. While there, you could see gangs and drugs everywhere. You were only allowed to be out during certain times so you would not be caught up with this kind of stuff. Well, once I moved back over here, a whole gang and drug war started. My nana was not allowed to cross the border for a while during this time. And it was not only in Tecate, it was everywhere in South America during the time. Oscar Alberto Martinez died at age 25 alongside his daughter, trying to cross the Rio Grande River, as his wife watched from ashore. The young family was trying to escape poverty from El Salvador. He tucked his daughter under his shirt so she wouldn't drift away. But they ended up drowning and were found the next day, still ashore and attached to each other. Ultimately, some immigrants may come to do bad things and commit the crimes that people say, but this is just one family that wanted a new way of life and a new way to live. So let's change the way of immigration laws and help Mexico or the South America as people need help. And let's help them enter, or let's do what we have to do. When Mexico sends its people, they're not sending their best people. They're sending people that have lots of problems. They're bringing those problems with them. They're bringing drugs, they're bringing crime, they're bringing rapists. And I assume some are good. President Donald Trump said during his presidential election. Deportation, the action deporting a foreigner or immigrant from a country. To deport, to expel a foreigner from a country, typically the grounds of illegal legal status or having committed a crime. The first ever immigration law was passed in 1882. It was considered the first ever immigration law due to the fact that it created exclusions through the category of inadmissible aliens. Just imagine being bullied at school and then running to the office for help, and then they kick you out of the office because you don't have a pass. How would that make you feel? Would you go back and face the bully and potentially get hurt? Our 45th president also said, anyone who is in the United States illegally is subject to deportation. This means no matter what, if you don't have the correct documents, you shall be deported. If you think about it, not all illegal immigrants are here to do bad things. Some are just here for a new way of life. Some are here to escape violence from Mexico and all of South America. So just imagine coming to America for safety and a new way of life, and they kick you out or deport you when all you wanted was a different way. And our president right now, and presidents before, have thought they are always coming, people from there were always coming to do bad things. And certainly for the past few years, it has been harder for immigrants. So let's change the way we are, and let's help them. Thank you.